Good morning, little chef. Welcome to day 18 of working as a chef on a yacht. Last night, I prepared some protein overnight oats with some blueberries and cinnamon. Served that up to the crew for breakfast and put away some clean dishes. We haven't had guests on board for a while, but they're coming in tomorrow. So to prepare for them coming, this boat needs to look spotless. I had some time on my hands, so the crew needed some help with polishing stainless steel. I love staying busy, so I'm happy to help. And that's why I'm so excited that guests are going to be on board tomorrow. The key to polishing stainless steel is to first wipe it down with some vinegar, water, and denatured alcohol. Then you take a microfiber cloth and wipe it down until it's dry. There's a lot of stainless steel on this yacht, so this took about 4 hours. While I was working on polishing the stainless steel, Gina, the stew, was working on making beds, Brian was outside cleaning the boat, and Captain Mark was working on a project down in crew quarters. Working on a yacht, there is always something you can do or help with, so I am never bored. When a crew member needs help with something, one of us is there to step in. After I got done with polishing, I headed down to the hole. Alright, we finally have guests coming in. We're gonna have a total of about 9, but there's gonna be a few days where I have to feed 24. So we're grabbing meat from the hole. Got my boxes. There's the hole, ready to go. I brought a little piece of paper down here with me. I planned out the menu for the next 4 days so I know exactly what to get from the hole. I'm going to be cooking for a lot of people this upcoming week, so I'm pulling a lot of protein. A big barbecue is in the near future, so I'm pulling pork ribs, brisket, ground beef, and while I was minding my own business, doing my work, Brian decides to try to close me into the hole. This is like the 6th time they tried to trap me in here, so I stopped caring. I guess he felt bad, so he decided to come down and help me. And if you offer, I'm gonna put you to work. So as soon as he came down, I passed over a slab of ribs. What's going out? When I provision this boat with over 800 pounds of meat, these freezers are packed. Oh yeah, that's nicely frozen in here.
You get it?
Sometimes the proteins that are packed in this thin plastic like to stick to the walls of the freezer.
Use this as a pry.
So it's always fun to wrestle out a chicken breast from the bottom of the freezer. Yeah! It worked!
Nice!
Huh?
Did you not even need it?
No, I just wanted to take care of it.
No.
Okay?
That's it?
Not yet.
Done for this box though?
Yeah, we can stop on that box. I'm gonna have to get on the other side. Since I'm cooking anywhere from 9 to 24 people this week, there was a lot of protein that I need to bring up to the galley. Some of these big pieces of meat take some time to defrost, so I'll go ahead and put them into the fridge and get them thawing. I need to stay at least 3 days ahead of schedule since I pull all of my proteins from frozen. I can't just say last minute, oh yeah, let's have steak tonight, because those steaks will be rock solid if I don't plan for it. For lunch today, I'm making hot beef sandwiches, and guess what? I pulled this beef 3 days ago. This is the simplest recipe ever. Put in your chuck meat, season it up, and throw in a jar of pepperoncinis. Hello all you little chefs. Lunch is ready in the galley. The beef went into the pressure cooker for 45 minutes and it was super tender. I also made a salad to go with it and threw out some Hawaiian buns so they could make sandwiches. Where's the meat? You barely put any meat. I thought I was done with polishing stainless steel, but turns out there's more stainless steel outside. For this, I didn't use the vinegar mixture. There was this special chemical that we put on the stainless, and then when you wiped it dry, it was sparkling. I knew the boys were working on the sewage system down in crew quarters, so I didn't know what Brian had in his hands. Whatever it is, I don't want it. I don't want this water, please. Please no. Please no.
Still a good whiff.
I can smell it from here.
The camera's getting that? Yeah. It's beautiful. Dump it on our nice shoes.
I don't want that. Why did he give you that? Oh, that's for the leak. That's to show the leak. After I got done with polishing the stainless steel, I headed down to crew quarters to check on the leak that the boys were talking about. I am very grateful that I get to stay in the galley and not have to deal with this kind of work. So down in crew quarters, we have this little living area, and behind our couch is the sewage system. So after you take off all of the cushions, you then have access to a door that will get you where the sewage is.
Could be polish it, or you could have taken the container out.
I didn't want to do that. I am polishing.
No, you've got a camera.
I'm gonna go back in 2 seconds. You told me to come down here. You said this is gonna be good content here.
Well, you could have taken the thing. So this is the macerator. We have a little bitty leak on the bottom that we changed this morning. This is where pretty much all of our stuff from the toilets goes through, and it's treated by this stuff, which is pumping in there now. There's gallons, 10 gallons of the treatment. Goes into this tank, gets macerated for a while, gets treated. We're just trying to be better for the environment. That's about it. It's not much fun in here. When you have a great day, it turns into this day.
Did you say some funny things? Really?
Yeah.
Good job, Mark. I'm out of here. This day was full of cleaning, and I had a ton of leftovers in the fridge, so everyone made a plate of their own and threw it in the microwave to warm it up. If you're enjoying this channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, little chef.